Yo, what's going on, GMG? OP Fry here. We're going to be working on today's plays of the day. I got into two plays, and we're actually currently in a play right now. So I'm just kind of going to go over those right now real quick because I do have to leave in about 20 minutes. My trading is pretty much going to be done for the day. This play I'm in right now, we're just going to see how it plays out. But let's go ahead and get into the two trades that we did get into today. So our first trade was a put. We got a put pretty early in the day. We got a put for 468 on SPY, and we went in and got into that around 10:23. All right. So what we did was we waited for this break right here on SPY SPX. It doesn't matter where you saw the break. Right here, 30-minute chart. This second red candle, when it came in, the minute it broke below the first red candle, I got my put. On the way down, I made my profits. On the way up, it stopped me out in the middle of my profits. I think that was about a $40 gain. So, like I said, my first trade doesn't even happen till the second candle on the 30-minute chart, right? This 30-minute chart. Here's the second candle. The minute this second candle broke below, I got into the play. Took my profit somewhere around here on the way out. Now, for our second play of the day, it was a L. Unfortunately, it was my bigger play too. So usually I'll get a SPY play. Those are the smaller ones. They cost a little less, roughly around 100, 120, 30, right around there, where my SPX plays are like 200, 300, $400. So that was a 200, I think that was a $200 trade. Ended up losing about 120, $130. So that was that play, but it is what it is. We got in the play. We set a stop loss. And this second play right here took us out, and we lost $100. So for the second play, we got in on this break when it broke up, and we got in. It goes up a little bit. We were up like maybe 20%, and then immediately started coming down. You see right here on the 5-minute chart, big green is where we got in, and then a little red right after, and then big red right after. We ended up falling down pretty far down. We 55% I think was our stop loss. Normally I set like a 30, but I was feeling like this was just gonna be a little pullback and then it was gonna take off. And it hasn't done that yet. Actually, we pulled down. I got stopped out, and then it kind of just kept going sideways. We're back up here again, and we're kind of revisiting that play. So before I go too far and get into the play that we're in right now. We lost this play, right? Got in when it broke going up, and then it started coming down. That's what happened. This was a green going up. It broke this red line, got in, immediately turned around. Once I was down 50%, I got out the trade and kept the rest of my money. So that was our L right there. So this first play broke this, went down. We got our money right here. Second play, we waited for it to break up on this red line going up, and that was on the hourly right here. That's what I was watching. So when it broke up, I got in the play. Then it reversed immediately on the 5-minute chart right here. You see it went up and then right back down. So we got out right there. And then the play that we're in right now is pretty much that same play. We have this current candlestick. It broke up this red line, and I didn't even get in right there. I waited for it to go above right here at this point, 46.8570, because that's where this wick is at right here, right? That wick is where it got pushed down before last time. So I waited for us to get above that this time, and then I got into play, and it's still reversing. So this is a prime example. It's real like easy to get in and out of the trades using the strat, right? We have here's a 2, here's a 1, and then here's a 2 going up. There's your play. Get in. But it doesn't always mean that it's a dub. That's how trading works, whether it's the strat or any other strategy that you're using. I don't get stopped out of this play until technically the bottom of this wick right here. So if this breaks, let's say right here, if this comes all the way back down and it hits this red line, right, comes all the way down, taps this red line, I'm out. You see my stop losses right here because I am still building my account. I don't have a $50,000 account or anything like that. So I'm still playing cautious, and I'm not trying to risk, this is a $200 trade, $230 trade. I'm not risking all of that. I'm only risking a little bit of it. So that's just how it is. Those are the plays we're in, and we'll update this last play probably when I get back from work. I'll just put it up on my story. Until then, you guys have a good one. Peace.